to another video from Digit Coffee. My name is Matt Rincon.
Andres Bustamante here.
Today we're going to be talking about 5 things to consider when starting your first email marketing campaign. Now this is for freelancers and small business owners.
Don't forget to turn on the notifications and hit the subscribe button.
Andres, why don't you get us started?
Let's do it. Number 1, email should come from an individual and not a brand or organization, right? People want to connect with other people.
Yes.
Go figure. So very important. You want to make your email coming from, whether it's your chief marketing officer or even the business owner themselves, which is definitely recommended, but it should come from a person. So I'd prefer seeing an email from Matt Rincon as opposed to Digit Coffee info or something, right? That's number 1.
That'll definitely help your open rate and ensure that people are engaging with your emails. Number 2, invest your time where it matters. So when you're getting started with email marketing, you're gonna fire up some new tool like MailChimp, and you're gonna have all these design configurations. You're gonna be spending all this time on structuring out what your emails are gonna look like. In reality, what's more important is what's in your email, what the content is, your copywriting, right? Because emails are words. So your headline is going to be really important. What's in your email? It needs to sound human, and it needs to come from somebody like Andres says. So invest your time where it matters. Invest your time in your copywriting. Number 3,
keep it simple, right? You don't want overcomplicated and all these, drawn out emails, long emails with too many paragraphs in there. So people have short attention spans, especially in today's world.
Yes.
So keep it simple, short, and to the point, right? Asking them what they want, a quick, nice attention grabber, obviously in the subject line, and you want to keep it very short, asking them to take the action that you want to take them.
Number 4, your tools. I had just mentioned MailChimp. MailChimp is a very popular tool out there. They have free trials that you can use in a free service. I prefer tools that are a little bit leveled up from that, like ActiveCampaign, which includes CRMs, more integrations. ConvertKit is another one. There are more advanced tools that you can pay a small monthly fee for and have a lot more access to, say, more users. So for someone like MailChimp, I think you can only upload 100 users for your free trial. So you're gonna get out of that very quickly and you need to upgrade. So think about the tool you're gonna use and that you're gonna scale your email marketing with. That way you don't have to jump around from tool to tool to tool again and again, because that can get fairly technical. And if you're not a developer and working with these things, then you're probably gonna run into a problem and then slow down your email marketing. So think about the tool and stick with it. Number 5, user-generated content, right, in the emails. So we're talking about email marketing and strategy here. We haven't even talked about, this would be for a future video, of how to get your first subscribers, right? Because that's very important. You need somebody to send the emails. But the user-generated content, once you have subscribers, you can actually send them curated content, which is just another word for other people's content that you see online that they provide value. Now, it's not anything illegal, unethical. You're actually resharing their content, even better for them. So you want to include that in the newsletters, right? So you can say, hey, check out these top 5 gadgets that came out, by Adweek or whatever it is, right? Mm-hmm. And you can just share that with the individual, send them the email, and that is user-generated content as opposed to you creating your own content, which obviously is helpful, and you should do your own content, but this is just another strategy for your email marketing campaigns. Awesome. So to recap, 5 things to consider when starting email marketing. Number 1, the email should come from an individual, not an organization. Number 2, invest your time where it matters, the copy. Number 3, keep it simple. Don't overthink this with all these crazy sequences. 4, choose a tool that's simple, that works, and it's probably a paid tool. Dish out the $20 a month or whatever it's gonna be. And number 5, user-generated content is a way you can send out a lot of email that people will actually engage with. So it's not always you and your voice and how you're thinking, but others as well within your industry. So those would be the top 5 things to consider when starting your email marketing. My name is Matt.
I'm Andres Bustamante. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to turn on the notifications and hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching.